This mechanical crab is absolutely incredible. It grabs a thick steel rod with its teeth and crunches. Then with a loud crash, it spit out a few parts from its abdomen, and soon after, another identical crab quickly assembled itself. But this was just the beginning. The two crabs began to gnaw on the steel rods, and the process repeated itself, doubling from 2 crabs to 4, then from 4 to 8. Before long, a massive army was formed, and they rapidly devoured all the remaining steel. The scientists watching from the sidelines were thrilled. In reality, these machines had been created by the scientist that very morning. He and his assistant had arrived on the island by helicopter, carrying a large supply of steel rods. The assistant thought they were there to build a vibrator factory, but little did he know, these steel rods were food for the crabs. Once the steel was gone, the scientist activated the second phase and pressed a button. All the crabs began to fight each other, with the weaker ones quickly defeated and the stronger ones eating them and replicating themselves. Gradually, the island was quickly transformed into a battlefield. At that moment, a high-tech crab appeared, capable of using high-energy lasers to melt other crabs and absorb their metal. But just as it was battling an enemy, a crab, hiding behind a rock, suddenly launched an attack. At the same time, a massive boulder fell from the sky, crushing the high-tech crab. Everyone was stunned. The island had evolved a super-sized giant crab. It could hurl huge boulders with tremendous force, and it seemed like nothing could stop it. But this was exactly the moment the scientist had been waiting for. Once the Crab King had formed, he happily pressed the pause button, fully satisfied, and then relaxed in his tent. Just then, a claw reached in.